Today we're in Burton in Longsdale, which is in the Yorkshire Dales, and we've got some K-Rend to clean on a property. This is what we've got to do. So we've got this wall to do. They don't want these walls doing, which, as we've said, would need doing, but they didn't want those doing. And then we've got this wall to do here. You see red algae here, a lot of green on there, and we're just going to put a biocide on here, and then we'll hot wash it and show you down the window bottoms as well. So again, they're bad. So let's see how we get on with this one. So we've just finished this job at Burton in Longsdale it is, and I'll just show you what we're looking at now. So this was the wall that was really bad. I don't know whether you can see with the sun, but it's cleaned it really well. And as we said, the homeowner wasn't going to have this side wall done, but once he saw how good that was, he decided to have the lot done. So we've now done this. It's looking really good in the window bottoms. And this is still wet, so. And this is the wall that was very green down there. It's all gone. Still wet, so it's it will keep getting better as it dries out. So we normally say about a week, 10 days. And then this window bottom here, as you saw, this was very black on there, but that's now cleared up. There's a mark there where he had an ornament on there. And they want us to do this wall as well. This wasn't originally anything they wanted doing, but we've now done this. And there's a couple of bits here. So we've got there. And that there. So overall, we're very pleased with that, and as I say, we've got a bit more work. Then I'll just show you the views. Really nice. And if you've enjoyed this video, please press the like button, and if you've got any questions, please put them down in the comments below and I'll see if I can answer them. And if you subscribe, you'll get notifications of future videos, and we'll see you on the next one.